Hello, my name is Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing video with one of my newest bags from one of my favorite companies, Louis Vuitton. So this purse I purchased a few months ago. I'm going to say February, March, right before everything happened. And I didn't want to, I was in the mood to record a video about a bag when all that stuff was going on. So now that everything is kind of, I guess, getting back to normal, I said it's not a problem with me doing an unboxing video. One of my favorite bags. I'm not gonna say that. So I don't know why they usually don't do that. Put the sticker, the price, and the name of the bag on top of the dust bag. But okay. So it came in this dust bag, and here she is. Ooh, isn't she beautiful? And I love the way leather smells. But this bag is the MyLockMe BB. It's all leather black bag with black matte accessories. So you open the bag by twisting. Pop it open. Oh, I love the way leather smells. And it has a handle with the matte black metal right here on both sides, and then a leather strap on the top. And the inside is nice and spacious. So, it's a nice big compartment right here, and a nice big compartment in the front, little part, and then it has a zipper on the back. And it still has the plastic and everything on it because I still haven't worn it yet because I really haven't been able to go anywhere. So what I love about this bag is it's all black. So most bags that I've saw or that I like that's black, the hardware will usually be gold or silver. And I usually wear gold jewelry, but I do like silver accessories. So I said, oh, I like this bag, so I could wear either or with it. Even though, of course, you could mix gold and silver, but, you know, whatever. This is the cutest thing ever. So let me tell you the price. So the price before taxes was $2,680 US dollars. Let me show you how cute she is. Isn't she lovely? And then with the straps, you can adjust the straps to make it longer or shorter. And let me show you how long it is on me right now. So it comes to my hip waist area right now. And it's not the smooth leather, it's like pebble. I don't even know what it's called. This bag is going to be my new favorite. Like I said, since everything that's been going on, I haven't been really wearing my bags. I've been just wearing fanny bags because I don't even want my bags to touch any grocery carts, or I don't even want to go in and out my bag too much. I try to not touch my personal items as much as possible when I'm out and about. So I just been wearing fanny bags. This is just so cute. The cutest little thing ever. I think that's about it. Yeah, because I haven't even worn it, so I can't even talk about me wearing or anything. But I know it is spacious. It's more spacious than my my other smaller handbags. So this one is, well, no, it's not. Pichat Matisse is nice and spacious. Anyway, but this is all black. So I've been looking for an all black bag, and this is one that I settled on. I really, really like this bag. I can see me wearing this with everything. Summer, winter, spring, fall, all seasons. I absolutely am in love. Yeah. I was just saying the name of the bag and then the price. Yeah. Okay. A little booklet. LOCME. And authenticity papers and everything else that comes in the bag. That is pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments about this bag, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer it. Have you purchased any new bags lately? If so, let me know. Leave them down in the description box below so I can check them out. Not saying I'm going to get them, but still I can check it out and be on the lookout for when I do want to buy another designer or luxury bag. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave your comments down below and I will definitely be sure to answer them. And I'll see you next time. Bye.